check this one out. Whenever you shop on our website, shop 507. They come with a center cap, which is and like a swerve to it, has a directional spoke. Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out from Enkei. This is the Enkei TM7 in a 17x9, 5.4.5, offset plus 45, the color gloss black. Whenever you shop on our website, shop 507-790-6545, B as in Bravo, K as in Kilo. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this wheel, the finish, the wheel itself. Let me know if you like it. Here. Check this bad boy out. And you guys can see it in the reel. So it's the TM7, all gloss black. So the Enkei wheels, they come with a center cap, which has a 360 logo pop in. Check this bad boy out. Pops right in, and goes just like that. So it has like a little film over it. You just peel it right off. Gloss black finish, has like a mesh style with like a swerve to it. Has a directional spoke. These will take conical seat lug nuts and TPMS sensors compatible. So if you guys are looking for this wheel or any other, feel free, give us a shout. My name is Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Thank you. And don't forget, subscribe right below. Our YouTube channel will be showcasing this wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct.